Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RR6926WH. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Rowenta RR6926WH is making a weird noise, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a blockage or a failing motor. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage, making your vacuum less effective and potentially costly to repair down the line. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, a soft cloth, and some replacement parts. First, let's ensure we open the device safely. Start by unplugging the vacuum to avoid any accidents. Next, locate the screws at the base of the vacuum cleaner. Carefully use your screwdriver to remove them, placing them in a safe spot for reassembly later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using your fingers or a soft tool to avoid scratching the surface. Now, we need to identify the problematic component. The motor is usually the culprit behind any weird noises. Look for the motor assembly, which is typically located near the back of the vacuum. Once you've located it, check for any visible blockages or wear. To extract the motor, carefully disconnect any attached wires using your pliers. Remember to note down where each wire connects, as this will be crucial for reassembly. Next, remove any screws holding the motor in place. Apply gentle force while doing this, as over-tightening could strip the screws. Once the motor is free, take a moment to inspect it for damage. If you notice any cracks or burnt areas, it's time to replace it with a new one. Installing the new motor is the reverse of removal. Carefully position it in place, securing it with screws and reconnecting the wires as per your notes. Be gentle with the connections to avoid any damage to the components. Once everything is in place, reassemble the casing, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws to secure it all together. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to clean your vacuum regularly and check for any blockages in the filters. Additionally, avoid vacuuming up larger debris that could damage the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.